Okay, we are gonna find out what happens when you put ice in the microwave. Alright, ready? Ice.
Like so many seconds.
Where'd it go? I think it's ready. Well, nothing happened. Let's put it back in.
Put it in for 5 minutes, now pull it back and like we can start it again.
It's in for 5 minutes now.
So, in the meantime,
Well, nothing's happening. So Sage is gonna do a dance. I think she is. She's about ready to do it. I can tell. Alright, back to the ice in the microwave. It's spinning around.
well, I can see me in it.
I know, I'm filming you in them. Oh. Alright, we're gonna check on it again.
Oh my gosh. It's a little watery.
It's just a little watery. We're gonna melt it all the way down.
Let's put it on medium high.
It's going around. Oh, it looks like it made another loop. It's making a lot of noise in there. It's starting to pop a little bit too. I don't know if it's supposed to do that. Where'd you go? There she is. Okay, it's still going around. Nothing's happening. Oh, it's kind of starting to smoke a little bit. Do you smell that? That doesn't smell too good. I think I'm gonna turn it off. That doesn't smell very good. Oh my gosh, disgusting. Yuck. Oh, I don't want to touch it. Oh, the cup is all burnt. Ew. Do we have any oven mitts in here? Can I have that sock over there?
No, wait, let me see.
Alright, well the cup is all burnt.
Let me see.
Is it hot?
Just a little bit.
Oh.
Pull it back.
Now it's all water. And there's a little burn spot. I dare you to drink it.
I'm not gonna drink this.
Put it on the table. Well, we kind of cut the... It's all hot. It smells like s'mores. Yay! Where'd it go? See, there's this big burnt spot. And it's steaming. And the ice is all melted. See, yeah, very nice. It's kind of hot. I think we left it in for too long. Okay. There was a good science experiment not to do. Alright, goodbye.